You might look rich on paper, a rising net worth, growing investments, and assets everywhere. But when the bills come, you still feel broke. Why does this happen? Welcome to Money Talks, where we simplify money, investments, and financial freedom. In this video, we'll uncover why most people seem richer on paper than in real life, and what you can do to fix it. Let's start with the illusion. Having a big net worth looks great, but most of it might be tied up in illiquid assets, property, long-term investments, or retirement accounts. These assets can't pay for groceries or your next emergency. You might have $100,000 on paper, but if your bank account is empty, it doesn't feel like wealth. Before we go deeper, hit the like button if you've ever felt broke despite earning more. It really helps the channel. Here are 4 common money traps. 1. Lifestyle inflation, spending more as income grows. 2. Over-leveraging, too much debt tied to appreciating assets. 3. Illiquidity, most assets can't easily be converted to cash. 4. Ignoring cash flow, focusing on growth, not accessibility. How do you know if you're truly wealthy? Try the cash flow test. Can you cover 6 months of expenses without selling investments? Or the liquidity test. How quickly can you access funds in an emergency? Wealth isn't just what you own, it's what you control. If this makes sense so far, subscribe and turn on the bell icon. We drop smart finance videos twice a week. Here's how to turn paper wealth into real wealth. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. Diversify into liquid assets. Reduce liabilities that drain your cash flow. Track both your net worth and cash reserves monthly. Keep investing, but stay balanced between growth and access. So remember, net worth is just a number. Real wealth is freedom, the ability to choose how to live your life without worrying about the next paycheck. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more weekly financial wisdom from Money Talks.